Good day everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to add current dates in QGIS Attribute Table. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So in QGIS, I have this shapefile of Brazil municipalities. So if we open the attribute table of this layer, we can see series of fields or attribute field in this layer. So if we want to add current dates to this very data, what to do is you put it in editing mode, then come here. We need to create a field where we will put the dates. So click on create new field, then let's name it date. For example, the type will be date and click on OK. So the column for dates has been added. So now to populate it with current dates, you come to Open Field Calculator. Click on Open Field Calculator. So here you click on Update Existing Field. Then here you choose the field, which is our dates, this date. Then here you can search here dates, or you come here, scroll down, this is it, date and time. Since we want current dates, you click on now. It will be put in this expression. Then you can see the preview of what it will look like. You click on OK. So you can see it has been populated. This is February 5th, 2024. So it has been populated for about 5,504 rows at once, instead of entering it one by one. So you can see this is how to add current date to attribute table in QField. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.